Hello beauty squad, it's your girl TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. I hope everyone is staying home, staying safe. I know we are all tired of being in the house, and I am no different. And they just extended the stay-at-home orders here in California until July. Lord help us, because it has been tough and a challenge for real. But to do what we have to do, keep our asses in the house. And I'll tell you, it's been, I've been like everyone else, shopping. It's like stuff, I don't know when we're going to go out again into the public and actually wear and use a lot of things. And I'm trying to stop buying so much, and Amazon and FedEx, they pretty much come here a couple times a week, which is probably what y'all are doing too. So I ain't the only one doing all this shopping, but I had to stop. One thing that I did purchase recently is I always need lipstick. Believe it or not, I always need lipstick. And because a lot of my lipsticks that I have they're old, and so I've been trying to just get rid of them gradually. And so when I saw Wayne Goss coming out with his makeup collection, his new lipstick and lip gloss and lip pencil collection, I was all over that. So that's what I'm bringing y'all today, is a review of Wayne Goss's new luxury lipstick, lip gloss, and lip pencils that he released just recently, just maybe a week and a half ago or something like that. Did I need more gloss? No, but I love lip gloss. So you can, in my opinion, you can never have enough lip gloss. So before we get into this review, thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you know when my videos have uploaded or been uploaded. Don't forget to subscribe. You come here every week and you check me out, so why not just subscribe to my channel? Let's get into this review. Wayne Goss. Okay, so I brought y'all in a little closer so you can really see the colors of everything. So he released 10 lipsticks, and let's see, it looks like 5 pencils, and let's see, 7 glosses. I got 3 glosses and 3 lipsticks and 1 lip pencil. And I'm already looking at this lip pencil. I got sepia, which described as a deep brown mauve. That should look pink. That's probably not gonna work for me, so I can say that right. We're gonna try it, but it just looks a little pink for me. Now, lipsticks, I got 3. I got Zinnia, Carnation, and Camilla, which I'm gonna tell you how they describe these creamy luxury lipsticks. So let's see. Okay, so the lipsticks, the luxury cream lipstick, the classic satin cream lipstick reimagined, soft creamy satin sheen finish. Zinnia, which is a rich berry. So let's swatch it. That's Zinnia. I don't know about that one. I tried to pick, some of the colors were just too pink for my liking. Carnation, which is a deep balanced mauve. That's that one there. And Camellia, which is, let's see, a light peachy beige. This looks like the only one I might like because it's neutral. Yep, that one right there. Yeah. Glosses. I got 3 glosses. I love gloss. I love gloss. So I got Tulip. Let's see how they describe Tulip. Tulip is a shimmering nude beige. I already know I'm gonna like that because that's that. Yeah. I like that already. No doubt about that. Let's see. I got Antique Rose, which is a shimmering nude rose. I'm already knowing. Yep, like that one too. Like that one. Lots of pretty shimmer in that one. And then the last one is Hibiscus, which is a shimmering cool rose gold. Let's just... Okay, I like that one. That's up top there. Okay, not bad. We're gonna try them. They smell kind of minty, but here's some info on the lip gloss. It's the High Shine Gloss, a modern take on the iconic 90s lip gloss. Whatever that means. Okay, the glosses I'm feeling. The lipsticks, I don't know. We're gonna try. So let's just try all of them on, and then I'll make my final decision from there. So let's start with the lip pencil, which I have a feeling, I don't know about this lip pencil. And did I need another brown lipstick? Probably not, but because Cork, Chestnut, BFF from ColourPop are such great pencils. And okay, this is okay. It's okay. 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 Let's go in with Carnation. Okay, which Carnation's kind of pink, but let's see what Carnation is. A deep balanced mauve. Let's try it on. It go on so pretty. Oh wow. It's okay. It's a little pink for me. It's just a little too pink for me. Okay, so the next one, Zinnia. Zinnia is a rich berry. Okay. That one's okay. I like the color a little, and I mean a little better than the first one, which was Carnation. It's okay. I obviously my ass didn't pick the right colors. Lord, let's see if I just put some gloss on top of it. So let's put Hibiscus on top of that and see if that will help, because gloss helps everything. Gloss helps everything. So this is Hibiscus. So, okay, that helped. That helped. I don't know how much it helped, but I like it better than the last one. Okay, let's go in with this last one, Camellia, which is the nude. think Carnation needs a brown. So I'm gonna, this is BFF. That's how much I like this pencil. Let's go in with BFF for that one. All right. Whoa. All right. Camellia, our nude, which I will probably like this one. Because it's nude. Yep. I mean, let's just be honest. I mean, nude is so easy to go with. So I like hibiscus. So let's try Antique Rose over this. Yeah, I do like this. It needs a brown pencil though. Let's try Antique Rose and see kind of what we got going on here. Hell, I might put the nude one over this too. But let's just try to give it some shimmer first and kind of see what we're working with here. I mean, the lipsticks go on very well. Yeah, I do. You can never go wrong with the nude. And that's just the truth. And you can never go wrong with a nude. You just can't. Okay, so let's try this last one. This is the Tulip, which is the nude gloss. We're going to try that just with the pencil and see how that looks. So for the nude lip gloss, just sepia. It's okay. So I went in with BFF again. So let's just see what we got here with this nude Tulip here, the nude color, which I'm almost positive I'm gonna like this one too. That's why I don't normally do that. You get and you know what? I like this too. But again, I mean, you can't go wrong with new colors. You just can't. And actually, I mean, it's so creamy. It's kind of got a minty kind of tingly, not tingly, but smells like something else for sure. Yes. I mean, it's nude. You can't you can't go wrong with a nude. You can never quite go wrong with a nude. And okay. Let's see how much these retail for. I was right. The lipsticks are $28. And then let's look at the glosses. Let's see. And he sold the collection of this. The pencils are $14 and the glosses are $22. So of everything that I got, of course, I love the lip glosses. I really, really, really like the lip glosses. Good on their own. Or I took Tulip, which is the nude gloss, and mixed that with BFF pencil. I mean, the pencil is creamy and it's nice, but it's a pencil. Do you need it? No. And plus, I don't particularly care for the color. The glosses, I like, but I love glosses. As I have my Fenty glosses right here, I love gloss. And you can wear these on their own or you can top them like I did. I love Camellia lipstick, which is the nude one of the 3 that I got. I mean, I'll say the other 2, I didn't particularly care for them. I like the second one better. And you know, when you watch other people review and swatches, you know, you take it with a grain of salt and the description, and you try to get what you think you would like or think would look good on your skin tone. And these are just not my vibe. But the nude lipstick, I love the sleek little packaging of this. It's black, it's sleek, it's got his name down on the bottom, and you open it, it's got his name right up here. I mean, the glosses, same thing, cute little things, and it's they're going to be great fitting in your purse or your makeup bag. The glosses, yes. The one nude lipstick, yes. But the other 2, it's just the colors just weren't right for me. And when you read the description of them, I'm thinking, okay, that could probably work for me, but they didn't. And yeah, this one, Carnation, is too pink. It's just too pink for me. And I was hoping that Zinnia was a little more red, and watching a couple of other videos and people describe it as the go-to red, it's not the go-to red by any means. So my thoughts, final review, the glosses are really nice, and I am a gloss junkie, I'll be the first to tell you that, but the glosses are nice. And I took just that one gloss, Tulip I believe it was, and put it with BFF pencil, and that's how I got this look. As you saw, the glosses I would recommend. The lipsticks, just if stores ever open up and you can go swatch them, go from there. But that's why it's hard to buy makeup, lipstick, some things online, or just looking at other people swatch them. They're just different. I love the collection, don't get me wrong, and I love the glosses and the one lipstick. It's just these colors just did not work for me. If you like pinky or pinky berry, then you're gonna love both of these. They're just not for me. But I love everything else, meaning the glosses and the one lipstick. The pencil I think you could do without. And if this was the deepest brown, or a brown mauve, it seemed to me more mauve than brown, but that's just me. But I would definitely recommend the glosses for sure. And if you want a nude lipstick, Camellia is really pretty, and it's a genuine nude and will probably look good on a lot of people. It's really pretty. So that's my thoughts. Let me know what you think. You're gonna pick anything up. I'm very excited and very happy for Wayne Goss. I like Wayne Goss. I like his vibe. I like what he's about. And I'm very happy and proud of him and this collection. And can't wait to see more makeup from him in the future. But let me know what you guys think. If you're going to pick anything up, comment below. Give me a thumbs up on your way as you are commenting. And until next time, your girl TeeTee is out.